Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to replace a louver in your urban shutter. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the damaged louver away from the stile. Now you can easily pop the louver out of the tilt rod end. On your replacement louver, find the side which has a central pin to slot into the stile and an offset hole which attaches to the tilt rod. Align the central pin with the stile and the offset hole with the cuff link on the tilt rod. Guide the plunger end of the louver into the hole on the stile. And repeat for any other louvers which may have come out of alignment. If you find the louver you're replacing is in line with the tensioning screws, you will have to remove these. So now we'll remove the tensioning screw cap and remove the screw. Do this on both sides of the panel. Now we can remove the damaged louver. Pop out the louver you're replacing exactly the same way. And insert your replacement louver, aligning with the stile and the tilt rod. Reinsert your tensioning screws on both sides. And tighten them until you're happy with the amount of tension on the louvers. Reinsert the cover caps and check you're happy with the operation of the shutter. And that was how to replace a louver in your urban shutter. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.